Alina's fashion. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be dealing with this pencil skirt. This is a beautiful pencil skirt, okay? So we are using this fabric. I'm folding it into two. So I'll fold it into two like this. For the wideness of the fabric, just do your hip divided by 4 plus 2 inches, okay? So just make sure you get that as your width. Okay, this is mine, okay? And then the full length you just add 2 inches for the hemming allowance. Mine is 22 inches. So this is exactly what you're going to have if you're using my kind of measurement. So just impute your measurements and then add the sewing allowance, okay? This part will be the waist. This is the waist measurement, okay? So I'm putting my waist divided by 4 plus 2.5 inches. I'm marking it here. I'll be coming out to the hip, and the hip I'm going to be minusing the measurement of the band before I get the hip. So from the waist to the hip is supposed to be 9 inches, but I'll be taking out the band measurement so that I'll be putting the 9 inches where it's supposed to be. So look at it. So I removed the band. So here's the 9 inches. I'm marking for the hip at this point. So here is it. This is the 9 inches, and this is the point for the waistline that I wrote. So I'm going to be marking the hip measurement on this 9 inches. Hip divided by 4 plus 2.5 inches. So this part now is my nail length. The nail length is 18 from waist to nail is 18 inches. Okay, so I've marked it. So on the nail length, I'm going to be coming in by 2 inches. Okay, we're coming in by 2 inches for the nail length, and then just connect the points like this. This is the hip. This is the hip, okay? Then this is the nail. I came in 2 inches. This is the full length of the fabric. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting this out. This is the front part of the skirt, okay, the front body. So I'm placing it on the back bodice like this, leaving 2 inches at the front of the back bodice. Okay, that is the center front of the back bodice. So I've placed the front bodice on the back bodice like this. So just leave 2 inches for the zipper allowance. This pattern marking is for the slit. Okay, on the nail length, I just took that part for the slit. So this part, they are marking the hip measurement. Okay, then this is the waist. On the waist measurement, I'm going to be coming in by 1 inch. Okay, I'll be coming in by 1 inch on these 2 inches I've put for the zip allowance. So see how it's done. I come in by 1 inch. I'm going to be connecting it down to this hip measurement. So this is the 1 inch. I'm connecting it down to this hip measurement. This knee length, just come down to the knee length and also come in by 1 inch. Okay, you come in by 1 inch in this knee length and on the waist. Just connect all the points. I'm connecting from the hip, the waist to the hip to the knee. I said before the slit. Okay, so it will just come like this. The lining, just that I came in by 1 inch. I just cut the hem of the lining, not at the waist, at the hem. Just go in by 1 inch. or cutter. So first of all, you sew the hem. This is the hem. I've sewn it. I'm top stitching it okay on the lining. You top stitch it like this, then you sew the side of the skirt. This is the side, this is the hem that I've sewn. I've top stitched it on the lining. So I'm sewing also the side of the lining. So for the zipper part of the lining, how to sew this inner part so that it will appear fine, I'm going to leave the video. So not for this video, I'm going to leave the link to the video how to insert a beautiful zipper, okay, with the lining inside like this, something like this, very beautiful and neat. So this is the skirt, beautiful pencil skirt. When you join the waistband, so this is how it is, and you sew the other side, this is what you get. Thank you for stopping by. I love you.